morning, big girl. Parker, wake up.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl, do you see what's on your ceiling?
Hey, there's something special.
Do you see what's all over your room? Do you see what it is?
Look up at the ceiling.
Oh my goodness. Why do you do that?
Because it's your birthday!
It's never blue.
Yeah. Yeah, these are for you for your birthday. What do you think? What do you think?
Happy birthday, Parker!
Whoa, look at that big one. Look at these big ones.
Ah, Parker! It's your birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, little princess. Can you come give us birthday hugs? Come give me birthday hugs.
Have one?
These are for you.
Here.
Can I have this one?
And Daddy?
Oh, thanks for
Here,
sharing.
Daddy.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Oh, what a happy birthday day, huh?
A party tonight.
We already have a party tonight. Is this so fun?
Yeah, 2 balloons.
2? There's a lot more than 2.
What is that big balloon over there? Do you see it?
What is this one?
There's some, these fish are some butterflies.
Yeah.
I'm taking.
How many balloons?
Let's go get camera balloons.
Yeah, let's go give him one balloon. Only can give one.
Hey, let's go get cancer balloons.
Hey, that's not one.
Good morning, big boy.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Look what we have for you.
Look at what we have for you. A present!
Bless you.
Halloween, Kim.
Bless you. Happy Halloween. It's not
Yeah.
Halloween. I think these are dangerous for Sam. Let's. Can you go take those back into Parker's room? Can I get you? Good morning.
Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Parker. I hear you.
You hear us?
Thanks.
Look at all these great balloons. All right. Happy birthday, Parks. Are you having a good birthday so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.